Welcome to Crete, where every step is a discovery and every moment is an adventure. Our journey begins at the charming port of Chania, where history and culture intertwine to create a captivating atmosphere. Tucked away in the embrace of the azure Aegean Sea, Chania stands as a shimmering gem on the northwest coast of Crete, Greece's largest island. With its labyrinthine streets, Venetian architecture, and rich history steeped in myth and legend, Chania beckons travelers to lose themselves in its timeless beauty and vibrant culture. Chania's story is a tapestry woven with threads of ancient civilizations, from the Minoans to the Romans, Byzantines, Venetians, and Ottomans, each leaving their mark on the city's landscape. The old town, known as La Canea, during Venetian rule, is a living testament to this history. Wandering through its narrow alleys, one encounters remnants of Venetian fortifications, Ottoman mosques, and Byzantine churches, each telling a tale of conquest and resilience. At the heart of Chania lies its picturesque Venetian harbor, where colorful buildings line the waterfront like a painted canvas against the cerulean sea. The iconic lighthouse, standing sentinel at the harbor entrance, offers a postcard-perfect sunset view, casting its golden glow upon the tranquil waters. Cafes and tavernas dotting the promenade invite visitors to savor freshly caught seafood while soaking in the ambience of this timeless port. Chania's charm lies not only in its architectural splendor but also in its vibrant cultural scene. The municipal market, housed within a neoclassical building dating back to 1913, is a bustling hive where locals gather to buy fresh produce, spices, and artisanal goods. Meanwhile, the Archaeological Museum of Chania offers a journey through the island's past, showcasing artifacts spanning thousands of years of civilization. Every visit to Chania is complete with indulging in its culinary delights. From traditional tavernas serving mouth-watering mise plates to cozy cafes tucked away in hidden courtyards, the city is a gastronomic paradise. Fresh olive oil, locally sourced cheeses, and aromatic herbs infuse each dish with the flavors of Crete. At the same time, a glass of Reiki, the island's signature spirit, provides the perfect accompaniment to a leisurely meal. An Ottoman-era domed mosque, Küçük Hasan Mosque, is a historical landmark on Chania's harbor. It attracts tourists every evening and open as an exhibition center. Beyond its historic streets, Chania boasts abundant natural beauty waiting to be explored. The Seymoria Gorge, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, offers hikers a breathtaking journey through towering cliffs and verdant forests, culminating in the azure waters of the Libyan Sea. Grambusa is located in northwestern Crete in the Chania region. It is worth the hike, as the Venetian fort on top offers a breathtaking view. Chrysoskeletica Monastery, located near Alasfanisi, is a clifftop Orthodox monastery from the 17th century. Meanwhile, the beaches of Elafanisi and Beylos, with their pink-hued sands and crystal-clear waters, provide a tranquil retreat for sun-seekers and nature enthusiasts alike. In Chania, time seems to stand still, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the timeless beauty of this enchanting city. Whether wandering through its ancient streets, savoring its culinary delights, or basking in the warmth of its sun-drenched shores, Chania captivates the soul. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting its golden glow upon the Venetian harbor, one cannot help but feel that in Chania, magic truly exists. As our journey continues, we go to the bustling city of Rethymno, where modernity meets tradition in a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and flavors. Nestled along the sun-kissed shores of Crete, where azure waves gently caress rugged cliffs and whispers of history linger in every stone, lies the enchanting town of Rethymno. Steeped in myth and legend, this coastal gem is a harmonious blend of Venetian, Ottoman, and Greek influences. As you wander through the labyrinthine alleys of the old town, adorned with vibrant bougainvillea and ancient cobblestones, you'll feel like you've stepped into a living canvas. Ornate Venetian mansions stand proudly, their weathered facades bearing witness to centuries of tumultuous history. Each corner revealed a new story, a new chapter in the rich tapestry of Rethymno's past. The imposing Fortezza, a majestic Venetian fortress perched atop a rocky promontory, watches over the town like a silent guardian. Its weathered ramparts echo with the whispers of bygone eras, while panoramic views from its battlements offer a glimpse into the timeless beauty of the Cretan landscape. But perhaps the true magic of Rethymno lies in its people, warm, welcoming, and fiercely proud of their heritage. The spirit of hospitality permeates every corner of this enchanting town. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the tranquil waters of the Mediterranean, you'll understand why Rethymno has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries. Next, we explore Heraklion, the vibrant heart of Crete, where ancient history meets modern charm in a captivating fusion of culture, cuisine, and coastal splendor. Nestled along the shimmering shores of the Aegean Sea, Heraklion beckons visitors with its rich tapestry of archaeological wonders, bustling markets, and sun-drenched beaches. The awe-inspiring Palace of Gnosis stands at the heart of the city, a testament to the ancient Minoan civilization that once thrived on the island. Wander through the labyrinthine corridors of this archaeological marvel, where vivid frescoes and intricately carved pillars offer a glimpse into a bygone era. Feel the echoes of ancient footsteps as you explore the grand chambers and storied halls, and imagine life in a time when legends walked the earth. Venture into the maze-like streets of the old town, where Venetian fortresses and Ottoman mosques stand shoulder to shoulder with Byzantine churches and neoclassical mansions. Lose yourself in the vibrant tapestry of sights and sounds as you meander through bustling markets overflowing with fresh produce, aromatic spices, and handcrafted treasures. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the tranquil waters of the harbor, Heraklion comes alive with the infectious energy of its nightlife scene. From lively tavernas and cozy ouzouris to chic cocktail bars and pulsating nightclubs, there's something for every taste and mood. But amidst the hustle and bustle of city life, Heraklion remains a place of serenity and natural beauty. Bask in the warm embrace of the Mediterranean sun on pristine beaches lapped by crystal-clear waters, or explore hidden coves and rugged cliffs along the coastline. In Heraklion, every street corner holds a story, every meal is a celebration, and every sunset is a masterpiece painted across the canvas of the sky. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply a lover of life's simple pleasures, Heraklion offers an unforgettable journey through the soul of Crete. Chersonesos is another beautiful town about 25 kilometers east of Heraklion and west of Agios Nikolaos. About 10 minutes drive is a stunning coastline with resorts, restaurants and beaches. Agios Nikolaos is a coastal city east of the island's capital, Heraklion. It is probably best known as a tourist town that serves as a hub for the small villages and farms that make up part of Lassithi. There are many interesting windmills at northeastern region of Crete. Crete is genuinely the Aegean jewel of Greece, from charming towns to magnificent gorges and stunning beaches.